What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I'm here to talk serious business. As you can see, I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck. Had an iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck. Prior to this, I had an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, all of us that are buying the new iPhone, guys, this year, it's starting with Apple. We pretty much getting ripped off. They not putting the charging adapter in the box, saying that they, it's recycling, it's for the earth. And for real, if you want to say that, tell me keep my old phone. You let me buy a new phone. Give me a new charging brick. Honestly, and a lot of y'all gonna be in a situation where you coming from an iPhone 8. You might not be a techie like me. I buy the iPhone every year. I try to, at least. I try to upgrade. I like getting new iPhones. I like the feeling, even though Apple is treating me wrong. So you got the 8 Plus, and then you go buy a 12 Pro Max like me, and they give you just the cable, where is one end is a lightning adapter to plug into the phone, and then the other end is Type C. It look like this. This what you plug into the charging brick. Now, if you coming from an 8 Plus, the charging brick you have, it's meant to be plugged in by a Type A USB that looks like this. So now you have to go out and spend more money. And if you're in the Apple store and you decide just to, the funny thing is they will sell it to you though. They won't put it in the box, but they will sell it to you if you need it at $30, $40. You know what I mean? $40 for the fast charge brick. But it's crazy, man. It's crazy that these companies are getting over like that. Samsung followed them this year. No charging brick in the box. This is complete foolishness. I'm sorry. But I'm not going to go out and spend. If Apple got over on me, so I'm not going to go back in the Apple store and spend $40. I'm going to go on Amazon. I'm going to cop something like this. Now, shout out to them. This is a sponsored video, guys. Mkeke. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's what I'm calling it. Mkeke. You can get this thing. This is a charging brick with fast charge. So it's going to charge your iPhone fast for $10. $10. What they'll sell you in the Apple store for damn near $50. You can go on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. $10, guys. So you can see it's the USB-C charger. So it's Type C. Let's unbox this thing together, guys. And we got that fast charge output that you want by Mkeke, guys. That's what I'm calling it. I'm sorry. Shout out to Mkeke, because I don't know how to pronounce it, and that's what I'm calling it. But we're going to unbox this thing together. But this is some strong plastic on here, guys. I won't lie to you. Okay, got it off. So let's take a look. It's white. It matches your phone. It matches the white cable that they sent you without the charging brick. $10, guys. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. Come on. This unboxing is embarrassing. Having a hard time with this little box. LOL. Say Mkeke. Pull it out. Check it out. Nice white. Got the Mkeke branding on here. So just definitely a nice fast charging brick. Guys, because we love Apple and stuff like that, we're gonna buy the new iPhones. But right here, $10. And you can get your fast charge on, and it's for Type C. So yeah, man. It's your man BG Tech Life. So when you go out and buy a phone, when you go from your iPhone 8 Plus and you go out and buy a 12 Pro Max and they sell it to you without a charging brick, and you just got a charging brick for the older iPhones, you just go on Amazon before you even go to the store, before you even get in your car and go to the store. When you think about buying a new iPhone, you think, oh, yeah, I'm going to go buy a new iPhone. Immediately just go on Amazon and order you a Mkeke adapter charging brick for $10. Instead of going in the store and the store being like, well, they don't come with a charger, but we got this charger here for $45.99. Spend $10. This is a cup of coffee and a bottle of water at Starbucks. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not following me on Instagram, take this time, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, man. BG_Tech Life. And if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the charging brick not being in the box on these new Samsung phones, iPhones, and then these other little phone companies gonna follow them. Yeah, we not standing for this. Let's not stand for this. Let's not stand for this. Let's make it. I'm letting them be known in every video when they don't put the charging brick in the box. This is stupidity. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.